Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Nahmadu wa nusalli ala rasulihim kareem amma ba'd. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today I've got a chance to tell you a little bit about reham, mercy. Importance and necessity of mercy. Mercy means to act with gentleness, to be kind. Mercy has a very high place in human morality, due to which mercy has a special significance in Islam. The two names of the intercessors of Allah Ta'ala are Rahman and Rahim. These two names have great importance in the Quran. Whenever any surah is recited in Quran Pak, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim is recited at its beginning. Before starting any work, we recite Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. By repeatedly chanting these praiseworthy names, humans get the message that Allah Ta'ala is Rahman and Rahim. We too have adopted these teachings of our Creator and should show mercy and love towards ourselves. It is mentioned in Quran Majid that your Lord has made mercy necessary for His community. Allah Ta'ala does not like this thing that anyone is disappointed with His mercy. Allah Ta'ala wants to see this special quality in His servants too. Rather, He has placed mercy for each other in the hearts of His servants. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam formed mercy on everyone and did not weaken anyone. The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "He who does not show mercy is not shown mercy." The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has shown the signs of mercy for the believers. The Prophet ﷺ has given instructions regarding the slaves. Treat them with gentleness and do not indulge them beyond their power, and feed them what you eat and wear what you are wearing. And the Prophet ﷺ has asked to be merciful not only to children, orphans, widows, slaves, but also to animals. Reham is something which we all can easily understand. This means that we should treat others well and help them. When we are merciful, we create a better environment in the world. So let's start from this small act. Help someone start a friendship or brighten someone's day by making them smile. With this, we can usher in a better world. Mercy is a precious thing which we all can share in ourselves. Adopt this, and it will show how we can make the world beautiful even with small actions. Jazakallah khair.